So I'm just going to, all right, so we're just going to go through the process on my PowerPoint, and then I'm actually going to show you how to do it from the website, okay? So first things first, thank you for joining us today. It's really simple and very easy. Right now, the file formats that work the very best to upload are CQP, that's Charlie, Quebec, and part. Okay, I don't know the language. So anyway, that's CQP and QLI. All right, SVG, but you can't buy SVGs, you guys. So just know that those two are the ones that upload the best and more easily from the website. So if you're purchasing a design from another website, purchase either one of those file formats. CQP is the default. If you can purchase the CQP, it works the very best, okay? So we're going to come to, now what? Okay, we're going to come to our page. So you're going to go to graceframe.com. And from there, you're going to move over across to my account, okay? And under my account, you're going to come down and you should have an account. If you have QMX, you've already made an account and you have some designs that you've picked and chosen. So you should be able to go to My Designs, and those are specifically connected to your account. Then once you click on My Designs, and do this on your laptop or your desktop. Don't do it on your little tablet. That's the better experience to upload them, because then you can access the files from your computer. All right, once you tap on My Designs, you're going to see the window pop open, and you're going to have off to the left in the upper, right under where it says My Designs, you'll see New with a little plus by it. You'll just tap on that, and that will upload the little window that has convert image to a quilting design, that's Picture Stitcher, or upload design. So you're going to click on upload designs. Okay, don't worry, we're going to go through it together, you guys. Okay, the next one that you're going to do is you're going to click on browse, okay? And you're going to go into your downloads. That's where usually you are downloading your files to, is your downloads. And once you click on that, you click on your downloads, you'll go into your downloads, okay? And you'll find which file that you want to, use or upload. And I did Lots of Stars, and it's the CQP, you'll notice right down here. And then you'll open up that file and then click on the CQP file format and then click on open. The next one you'll do is you have to fill in all this information about the design, because you're not selling this design, you're just adding it to your library of designs. So you'll fill in the information of the title. So you'll put in the name of the design. You can put in the website or the designer, and then you can choose the file format that it is. It's usually continuous, and then if it's continuous, I'll ask you if it's a B2B or an E2E. You can click on either one of those, and then you can pick which file folder you want it to go into. The next thing you're going to do is it's going to have you select a category. And usually I'll do my category. It just makes it a little easier. And then you can click on done. Okay, click on done. And then what you're going to do is go to your tablet now, and your little tablet that connects to the QMX and moves it and everything, you'll tap on refresh. And then since you're on the internet, it will refresh and upload. And this is Lots of Stars. I did a couple others as well, just to see how well they work. So, and that's all you do. So we're going to go through, and this is just telling you that you don't have to do the uploads if you purchase them from our website. And we have lots of designs on our website. So now we're just going to go through, and I'm going to go through and move it and show you what to do in actuality, okay? So I'm here. Can everybody see? graceframe.com. And we're advertising our winter market. So we're going to move across. We're going to go to my account. And now I'm going to go down to my designs. All right. So now I'm in my designs. I'm going to scroll up here so that you can see. I'm going to click on new. Okay. And I'm going to come over here to upload my design. And it's going to take me into this screen here, this window. I'm going to tap on Browse File. That takes you to your little file folders off to the side or your little implements for your desktop. I'm going to come over to Downloads. And I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to find one that's a good one. One picked, but I guess I didn't. I want to find a CQP. All right, here's the Emily block CQP. I'm going to come into it and I'm going to click on it and then come down to the bottom, click on open. See how it's loading the design in there? And now that I've loaded it, I'm going to type in the name. I'm going to put in Emily block. And I don't know where I purchased this from, so I'm making a guess. So I'll just put Emily did it. Put the Y there. It's a block design. And then I'm really not quite sure. I think it's a square. And then I'm just going to put the file folder as a block. Okay, now that I've done all that, I can save it to my library. I'm going to come down and use my little slider, slide it all the way down. And I could click on simple block, but I'm just going to put my category. That's just what I'm doing right now. And then I'm going to click on done. Okay. It takes a minute. I'm going to click on my refresh button, and your refresh up here on your screen is right here. And it may take a minute or so for it to load up. So give it some time to load in there. And then once it's loaded on here, I can click on refresh. So I thought this would be a little faster, but maybe it's a more complicated block and it takes a minute. So sorry, you guys, but that's really all you have to do. Okay, so let's open it up to some question and answers, and hopefully it'll load up here. All right, open up you can unmute yourselves and then let's have some questions. Nobody has any questions? Just unmute yourself.
Carla, there's a question about, is this all on the little tablet?
On the little tablet? Yeah, it should be on how to upload the design.
It's there. Yes, it's there, but the experience is going to be better on a laptop or a PC for the store part.
So I can download on a laptop and it'll still download on
Absolutely.
my tablet.
Yes. As
Yes.
long as you're connected and your Bluetooth is on, everything needs to be, you need to be connected with your little tablet to your Wi-Fi.
Okay.
It's better to do it on a laptop.
How do we
or
do
PC.
the subscription?
Oh, yeah, just go
Tap on subscription right across, right next to my designs, Carla.
Oh.
Right next to my designs. Nope, in the center. Oh, you can do it
Oh,
that
I
way
didn't
too.
see it though, Marie. I'm not seeing it.
Okay.
Oh,
It's just right in the,
I don't have it.
no, it is there. So underneath the
Oh,
banner.
right here, right here.
Yeah,
Right
yes,
here.
yes.
I'm looking in the little window up above, and then just go to the subscription. So it's $20 a month, and you get 10 credits monthly. So, and we're adding new designs to this design store all the time. So just go and subscribe.
I keep getting an error message when I try to do it.
What's it telling you?
Subscribe, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Dang it.
After you put the credit card information in, it
Okay,
says,
well then we'll have them go look at that. I appreciate
yeah,
the information.
from what I
Anytime you have something like that, let us know, and
Okay.
we'll definitely get them on it.
From what I gather, that it says that there may be an error, like an error when they set it up, like, because it
Right.
says failed to create column not found. So it
Okay.
could be it said an error in there, in like tech support might have to look at it.
Okay. Well, it's our website, guys. We'll get
Yeah.
them on.
So
Okay.
you can be on the monthly plan or just buy them singly as you go?
Yeah.
Correct.
Yes. Either one.
Okay.
Yeah.
That
Either
sounds-
one. And then I'll tap on refresh and see if it's going to work. It's still taking time to upload. So
Okay,
sorry,
so
I picked a complicated one. But it does take a minute. The more complicated the design is, it's not that complicated, and it did show up. So I will show you on my little, that's the little Emily block right there. Can you guys see it? I'm pointing right there.
Mhm.
So it uploaded onto my little QMX tablet. And I just tapped on refresh. So it's
So-
there.
Ed asked a question a while ago. I had read that you can create your own designs and then you can put it in a SVG format. Is this on how to do this? There's a lot of designing software out there that
Mhm.
yes, they can do it. I honestly don't know if they go to SVGs on the designing software itself. But you could create, most of them you can create the QLI or the CQP, I believe also. Do you know, Carla?
Well, I'm sure if it's an SVG, you could just upload it as an SVG.
Well, you can, but he's talking about us creating his own design.
Yeah,
And then
if you have the
making
software
it,
that will create it as an SVG, go ahead and do it.
yeah.
But I haven't seen very many out there. So yeah, and just make sure as you're designing, because I like to design, that it is compatible with QMX. And some designs will work really well with it, and others, I don't want you to purchase something that's not going to work well. And we did talk about that last time, which designs to purchase and which designs to kind of stay away from.
Yeah, just make sure it doesn't have breaks if you're designing your own.
Right. It needs to be continuous.
Yeah.
And then it's $10 a design, right?
I think it's 8.
Is it 8? That was
Mhm.
one of the questions of how much do they cost?
Shop designs, I'll go into the shop and I'll see. So, and yeah, most of them,
Your legend is you, so.
I mean, it was me. So mine are free right now, but I think they're 8 to 10. So just know that.
Let's see.
We tried to stay a little lower cost so you would buy more. We want you to grow your library. So
Okay, and then the PowerPoints you guys are asking will be emailed out Monday along with the YouTube links for the videos.
so you'll have it step by step. You can print those off. So, and I'm going to just show you from my PowerPoint what designs. Okay, these designs here, let's talk about them. This one I turned, okay? But I should put it straight, okay? These are what I call B2B designs. They're border to border. They kind of look square. They're in a square shape or a rectangle. So they're filling in the space. Those are the type of designs that will work the very best. This one I turned to just to make it a little more interesting. But anyway, so just make sure that those are the best ones to buy right now for QMX, okay? B2B or blocks, okay?
And to better answer the question of the cost for the designs, it is $10 a design, and then it's
Okay.
$20 if it's a design like borders and corners. That technically has 2 designs in it because it's a border design and a corner design.
Mm-hmm. need to stop sharing my screen, so you can stop me.
You're fine.
Um,
So what's the difference in buying them singly without buying the $20 a month?
Well, it's $10 a design. So for 20 bucks buying the design singly, you get 2. Versus doing the subscription and paying $20 a month, you get 10.
so it's actually less expensive and you get more designs.
A lot more.
So $20 a month, you get 10 designs, is that what you're
Yeah.
saying?
Yeah, and that can be Picture Stitcher as well, which Picture Stitcher is 20 bucks for one time. So really you're getting a good deal. You're getting 10 times the amount of stuff by doing the subscription.
Picture Stitcher won't work right now with QMX. So yeah, be careful if you have QMX. Now, if you have QCT or another program, that's fine.
Okay.
Carla, someone has a lot of PES formatted designs for embroidery. Can they be transferred into a QMX?
No, not right now. That file format is not available. So it won't be a good experience.
Unless their program they're using for the embroidery
Can format it
Can-
into another.
and I know there's some that can. Just right now, the ones that are coming in are very large,
Yeah.
and we've had to fix a few.
Now you can cancel the subscription anytime, Ed. So it's month to month. And if they cancel their subscription and they still have like credits sitting in there, those credits don't disappear. They've paid for those, so they can still use up those credits.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
was my next question. If I did the monthly and I didn't use them all in November, can I roll them over to December?
Yeah, the credits don't expire.
Okay.
So you can keep using those all you want. And then just to clarify with QMX, because I've been getting a lot of questions in chat about this. When you purchase QMX, you get 20 designs. So 10 of the block triangle, designs, and then 10 edge to edge designs, and then 10 credits for the design store. There's been some confusion where they think they get 20 designs, so they get 20 credits for the design store. It is 10 credits for the design store and 20 designs already on the QMX.
Okay.
Any other questions, you guys? We're gonna do another one of these after we have a major update to QMX, so you guys can see all the new things that are going on with it.
Oh,
Marie Sanders, you said the 2 design borders are included in the monthly description as one design. So yeah, a borders and corner design, if you just purchase it, is 20 bucks. But if you have your subscription, you can redeem it as 1 credit.
Nice.
Okay. There are no other questions.
There's some place that I can look to see all the current designs. Just on the design store. Are you talking about like Ed? Sorry, are you talking about designs in the design store or what's on the QMX right now? Do we have a list, Carla or Marie, of what designs specifically the QMX comes with?
I guess I know what designs are going out there, so I guess I could put a PDF together on them.
That's probably not a bad idea.
That's
Yeah.
what we'll
People
do.
who
We'll
are-
we'll make it part of this if you'll just, yeah.
Yeah, maybe you and I can do it,
Yeah,
Carla,
we'll
and
get
get it out
together
there to
and we'll
them.
make it part of this, so Monday you know what all the designs are that
Yeah.
are on QMX, that are in QMX that come with it. Okay.
And then Ed, if you want to just go out to the website and set up an account, it's free for you to do that. And then you can browse all of the store
Right.
and see what's in the store.
And you
That-
don't have to have an account. I mean, to just see what's in the design store. I'm like this, I'm not
Oh,
logged in.
that's true.
Your
That's
first
true.
design is free, so it'll say claim for free.
Yeah.
If you've never gotten a design, because the first one's just free for you.
Mhm.
But yeah, you can come in here and see there's over 2,000 designs in here, so you can see what's new. You can do all sorts of fun categories and stuff. So there's definitely a lot of ways to be able to search and see what's on there.
And all these designs are already converted in a file format that will work with QMX. So that's another thing. So
Yeah. You said how often is there new designs? At least monthly.
oh, girl.
but we do a lot.
A lot, yeah.
Carla puts out, we have a few people that just are fantastic at designing. They love designing, so there's fun new stuff all the time.
Yeah.
Kathy, you said, is there a way to size and print the design so I can see how they will look on my quilt before using them?
No, not yet.
We need to think of a process, Carla, to make that
Yeah.
easier for them.
I
Yeah.
mean, just me thinking of me, if I would do it, I would just take a screenshot and print that,
Oh, yeah,
and then lay
that
it
makes
on
sense.
your quilt to kind of get an idea. So just on paper. That's my first instinct that I would do, if that makes sense.
Yeah, if you're a Windows person, you can use the snippet tool
Yeah, the
Yeah,
snipping
I'll say
tool
it.
is your best friend. It really is. So use
and you
that.
can dump that in like Word or even Notepad and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you could come in here and just use your snipping tool.
So you guys join us with Quilters Playground because we go through a lot of these, little ways of, snipping and using designs and how to apply them to your quilt so you can see them. So if you haven't registered, and it's free, it's a Zoom class like this, and we do it twice a month. But for November, December, we're just doing once a month. But join us for Quilters Playground because we really do jump in and talk about a lot of these functions and features and how to use designs and how to, make them work.
Just quiltersplayground.com.
Yeah, no, it's through graceframe.com. It's under education and
Okay.
register to join Quilters Playground so we can just grow. And if you have questions about things, we'll jump in, and we like to show off what you're quilting. And so it's just a fun place to be. And it's a growing group of quilters. So yeah.
Okay.
So Marie Sanders, you said you're confused when the SVG file is used. That's what QMX uses.
Yes.
So when you're in the program and you open a design, that is using the the
SVG.
yeah, the SVG file format. So that's how it comes into play.
So when you upload a design as a CQP, it really does convert it to an SVG. That's what it's doing. And that's why it sometimes takes a little minute or two for it to upload. So it's converting it so that you can use it for QMX.